summers are upon us and we all know how hard it is to maintain a full face of makeup during the summer months. Everything just wants to melt away from your skin and it's next to impossible to maintain that flawless finish all day long. But don't worry, because in today's video I'm going to teach you exactly how you can use very few products on your face and still achieve the summer look of your dreams. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to achieve this flawless summer makeup look which lasts all day long, then continue watching. So before starting with the actual makeup, what I love to do, especially during summers, is to rub ice all over my skin. It helps minimize the pores and refreshes my skin and sets the right base for the makeup. Secondly, very important, is sunscreen, because without sunscreen you cannot step out in the summers. Now to start the makeup, I love to use my MAC Fix Plus spray, which is amazing as a primer and it helps create an even tone and also minimizes the pores. After that, I go in with my eyebrows, which I'm doing off camera. And next is time for concealer. So I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is amazing for the summers because it lasts all day long. It doesn't move at all. And when I say it doesn't move at all, I mean it. So as soon as you apply it on your face, it's recommended to quickly blend it out before it sets into the skin. And that's why this concealer is my holy grail when it comes to summer makeup looks. And obviously you're seeing I'm using my fingertips because I feel like that's the best way to blend in concealer and absorb it into the skin. Also during summers, I completely skip foundation because I feel like liquid foundation is very heavy. So I go for my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. Now this has both a foundation element and a compact element, 2-in-1, and it really has high coverage. So if you notice, when I apply it on one side of my face, it instantly sort of reduces the oil and gives me that high coverage that I need during the summers because I need my makeup to last all day long. I actually prefer using the sponge that is provided with this foundation because I feel like it really helps give me that even finish without layering my face up with too much product, which is what I don't need in summers because I need my face to be light and breezy. Then I go in with my Fashion Fanatic makeup palette from MAC. This is amazing because it has both eyeshadows and also a highlighter shade. So I'm going in with this really neutral pinkish mauvish shade for my entire eyelid. I like to keep my eye makeup very minimal and very simple for the summers. Because trust me guys, during the summers, less is more. I just add a dab of this silverish golden tone on the center of my eyelid and also drag it towards the inner corners just to brighten the eye up and add like an extra dimension. Otherwise, your eyes look very flat. Just quickly blending it out with a fluffy brush. I'm then straight away going in with my MAC False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. This mascara is super lightweight, but it really gives you the length. So during summers, I look for a mascara that adds more length than volume because volume would mean heavy eyelids and I don't like anything heavy. That's why I'm not even going for eyeliner because I want to keep my makeup light and fresh. I then go in with blush. I'm using this really soft pink shade, which is the MAC Fleur Power blush. I love this color especially for summers because it's just the right balance of pink and coral and it just sits so light and easy on the skin that it really makes me glow and gives me that summer flush that I absolutely love. I totally skip contouring during summers because again I want minimum makeup products. Now for lipstick, I am going to be using my MAC Ruby Woo, but I don't use it directly on my lips because again that I feel like is very heavy for the summers. So what I like to do is I like to take it on my fingers and gently add on a very slight layer of lipstick on my lips. It gives me this nice flush of color without overly sort of adding pigment to my lips, which is again something I love because I want to keep everything from my eyes to my lips lightweight and super easy. To add a final touch, I'm going in with highlighter, and for highlighter I'm using the same MAC Fashion Fanatic palette. I know that I absolutely love highlighters and I love the blinding highlight, but during summers your face is already going to get super duper oily throughout the day, so you don't need an extra layer of shine on your skin. So I love to use this because it is very natural. It actually blends into the skin seamlessly and still gives me that beautiful glow that I need for the summers. And obviously finishing with my MAC Fix Plus to ensure the makeup stays in place all day long. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. This has been tried and tested by me for years. After all the research and all the trials and errors, this is my foolproof way of making sure that your makeup lasts during the summer months and doesn't move. I am obviously going to leave the links of all the products down below so you guys can shop from them from Myntra. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Hit that notification bell icon, guys. It's so important because otherwise you won't get the notifications of my videos. Leave your comments down below in case you have any more suggestions and any of your own hacks that you use. And yeah, I love you all. Bye.